Good evening, sir. I'm Robel D. Villegas. My presentation for today is software engineering. The diagram you provide is a UML Unified Modeling Language class diagram. It visually represents the structure of a bank system by showing classes, their properties and methods, and the relationship between them. Bank attributes name stream. The means the attributes is public, meaning it can't be accessed by any other class. Name is the name attributes name and stream. It is data type. Address stream, a public attribute for the bank address with a stream data type. ATM attributes. ATM code and a public integer attribute to identify the ATM. Cash and a public integer attribute representing the amount of cash in the ATM. Method. Enter card, a public method to handle card enter. Enter amount, a public method to handle the amount entered by the user. Check sufficient, probably a typo for check sufficient, a public method to check if the ATM has enough cash. Eject card, a public method to eject the card. Dispense card, probably a typo for dispense card, a public method to dispense the card. Enter fin, a public method to handle fin enter. Validate card, a public method to validate the card. Validate fin, a public method to validate the fin. Transaction attributes. Date and the means that the attribute is private, accessible only within the transaction class. The data type is an integer. Time and a private integer attribute for the time of the transaction. Transaction ID and a private integer to uniquely identify the transaction. Method. Create transaction. A public method to create a new transaction. Saving account. Attributes. Account number and a public integer for the account numbers. Balance stream, a public stream to store the account balance. Name stream, a public stream for the account holder's name. Address stream, a public stream for the account holder address. Method, create account, a public method to create a new saving account. ATM card attributes. Card ID and a public integer to identify the card. Pen N, a public integer to store the card pen. Method, setFin, a public method to set the fin. GetFin, a public method to get the fin. Withdrawal transaction attributes. Amount and a public integer for the withdrawal amount. Method, create withdrawal, a public method to create withdrawal transactions. Set amount, a public method to set the withdrawal amount. Transfer transaction attributes. Destination amount number and a public integer for the destination amount. Amount and a public integer for the transfer amount. Method, create withdraw, a public method to create a withdrawal. This is probably a typo and should be create transfer. Amount and this is probably a typo for set amount, a public method to set the transfer amount. The solve line represent association between classes, while the dashed line with an arrow from transfer transaction and withdrawal transaction pointing to transaction indicate a general relationship or inheritance. This means both the withdrawal transaction and transfer transaction are especially types of a transaction.